You can't change your past, but you can create your future. This has been my motto in life. I am Abhiman Kokate, technical lead at Tata Technologies, and here is my story. I remember my parents' work as a sugarcane cutter in Bid, Maharashtra. I used to study sitting under a tree and observing my parents toil under the sun. After completing my diploma, I urged my dad to get me admitted to a degree college. He wasn't too keen on that since he had to provide for our monthly expenses and my siblings' education too. That's when I promised him, let me become a degree engineer. I'll take care of these responsibilities. My dad trusted me and supported my dream by working overtime and borrowing money from almost everyone he knew. I completed my degree from MIT College Pune. In the college campus, I was fascinated to see a presentation by Tata Technologies and wanted to join the company with such a great body of innovative work. On my first day here, I faced my first challenge. I was hesitant to communicate with others due to my poor knowledge of English language. But my seniors showed faith in me and trained me on critical tasks and responsibilities. Thanks to the learning and support I received, I got to be part of a host of prestigious projects such as backhoe development program and a lawnmower development project for our overseas clients. I have also worked on a forklift development project for an Indian OEM and several manufacturing excellence programs for other clients. The growth I have achieved here also reflects in the awards I have won, such as Champion of the Month, Champion of the Quarter, and Project Team of the Quarter. My biggest achievement is I could complete my dad's responsibilities. I took care of my both siblings' education and helped in my sister's marriage. All young engineers out there, your creativity shapes the world, your innovations build the future. Keep dreaming, designing, and making a difference. Come, join us in engineering a better world.